What's up, everybody? How's it? So I'm in Osaka, Japan, and uh, disappointing news. I could not find any potato chip cards. Went to like five convenience stores and a grocery store, and they did not have anything in Osaka, in actually downtown Osaka. So I brought this from Hawaii, so I will rip my Gypsy Queen from, I believe I got this at Walmart. But before I'll do that, I'll show you downtown Osaka from my hotel room view. So here it is. This is it. I'm kind of in the low floors, like I'm on the 12th floor. It's like concrete jungle. Downtown Osaka. Today's actually Saturday in Japan, so yeah, a lot of the business district is closed. Right there is Starbucks. There's not much action on this side. Usually on the other side, there's like a lot of people walking around, shopping. There's like a train station on the other side too. Anyway, let's close this up because won't be able to see the cards. All right. So yeah, downtown Osaka is not a good place to find those potato chip cards. But anyway, let's open this up, see what we get. You know the deal. 7 packs and 1 exclusive parallel card pack. We'll do that last. There we go, pack 1. Okay, Boyd, Justin Turner, Vargas, Davies, and Bradley Jr. No, Ozuna, Sonny Gray, Beltre, Shaw, and Adam Jones. Scotty, Story, Parada. Got the fortune teller of, this is Chris Davis. Yep, Chris Davis. D. Gordon and Freddie Freeman. Remember, there's a giveaway of me going on. All right, next pack. Odorizzi, Belly, Cole. Got a backward Austin Hayes, not numbered. And no team name. Mike Moustakas and Bridwell. Next pack. Trey Turner. Simeon, Cabrera, Nola, Iglesias, and Pujols. Nothing really special yet. Second to the last pack, Santana, Alfaro, Gallo, Belt, McCann, and Tomas. That's it, last pack. Let's get something. Starling Marte, Dozer, Escobar, and the King of Swords, Bryce Harper. Dallas Keuchel, and Corbin. Okay, so where's my parallels? 5. Since I didn't have really anything in there, let's get something in the parallels. Ramirez, Mangden, Harvey, Giles, and Parker. Yeah. Sometimes you get those boxes. So yeah, be back to the States tonight. Was looking forward to watch the UFC, but all that drama happened, and Max Holloway, my man, didn't make weight. But interesting. We'll see what McGregor's gonna. He should go to WWE, man. He caused so much dramas. But thanks for watching, and remember, there's a giveaway. Yeah, enter, and I'll see you again. Aloha.